Hey guys, so actually, well, first of all, welcome to my Christmas house tour 2018. Yeah, I do one of these every single year for Christmas time, and of course I do a fall one and so on and so on. But yeah, so this is the outside of my house. I'm gonna start with the outside first and then do inside. Just something different this year. Switch things up. So anyway, let's do the outside first. So this is the top of the garage, and these ones, are these flickering? I think, okay, these ones aren't, but then these ones over here are flickering. Yeah, so very cute. Very, very pretty. People always say that my house looks like Home Alone when it's decorated. It looks really cute. So anyway, you can be the judge of that. So, okay, let's go over here. So these bushes have the natural light, which I think is really, really pretty as well. So yeah, these are the bushes. Okay, and then these, oh, okay, and then these lights, of course, are all along here. And these are also very glittery. They're so pretty. And then the window has these white and blue ones right here, which I find really, really pretty as well. Okay. Okay, and then, of course, these lights along the bush as well. Okay, and then let's go here. There we go. Very pretty. Okay, let's go over here because I'm going to show you everything up. Okay, now for these. So we have two floating devices. two what's it called? Floaties or whatever you call these. The ones with the air. Okay. And these are our I almost said snow globe family. Snowman family. Aren't these cute? We have, of course, the dad and the mom, the baby. The baby's kind of a little dark there. There we go. Very cute. They're so happy, and it's actually a cold night tonight. It's going to be freezing in the morning, so it's the perfect night to do these. So these won't melt, so it'll be freezing cold. Okay, now these small bushes in the front of the house. You guys, how cute are these? These like pretty, like I call this like kind of like a blue moonlight. I love those. And then we have some here. These are like the multicolored ones, which are really pretty. And then I guess I'll show you the front door. Yeah, and they kind of like go along the front door like that, all around. And then I'll show you the doormat in a minute, like up close. And then that's the wreath, the Christmas wreath. I'll show you guys that again maybe later in a minute. Okay, so now let's walk all the way like through the path. It's really cute. So this is the front, and then like, okay. So we have the candy cane. So there's each candy cane right there, and the lights are on the candy canes. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. In the night, you can't really see the candy canes as well, but they're like red and green. Like every other one. So like that's red, that's green, that's red, that's green, yeah. Isn't that so cute? So like people like walk up and say hi. And then this bush on here. So that was the one I showed you earlier with the blue lights, and these are more blue lights. There's a little bit of these like cute little like gumdrop. I call it the colored ones, like the multicolored ones. They're shaped like gumdrops. I call them gumdrop lights. They're really cute. Anyway, so this is the doormat, and it says, "Baby, it's cold outside," with a cute little snowman. And then, you guys, the nativity scene. Okay, I always zoom up for this. Let me just zoom up. Let's see. Or zoom. Ah, okay, there we go. There we go. So yeah, we have the camel there. And then we have the nativity scene. Isn't that cute? And we have like lights behind it so they can like, you know, glow and stuff. And another camel. So yeah. Okay, zoom back out. That's how it looks like zoomed out. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so what else? So now let's go over here and show you these, like, you know, up close. Let me just go over here. Okay. So this is the other, like, floaty, what you would call it. And this is Santa, and he is making his way down the ski slope, delivering all the presents to all the kids, obviously, right? And to all of us, of course. So he has his presents over there. Cute, right? And then, of course, this bush has more natural light. And then this window has like a, it's like a light blue. Oh! Okay, almost tripped in that wire. That would have been good. No, that would have not been good if I tripped in the wire. Almost did. Close call, but we're good. Okay, so yeah, it's like a light blue light. So on that window, and then last but not least, we have this reindeer. Oh my God, voice like changed, like reindeer. Cute little reindeer, and he lights up. So very, very cute. Super duper cute. So yeah. Okay, you guys. So that's pretty much that. Again, I don't want to do, like, you know, an aerial shot. I'm trying to, like, zoom in as much as possible because, you know, for safety reasons or whatever. I don't want to show, like, details, like too many details and stuff. But that's pretty much that. Okay, so now we're going to go inside and I'll show you the inside. So yeah, so let's just go inside. I just want to show you, like, like this little garage part area really quick again. Because I love that area. Let's zoom up really quick. Okay, there we go. Yeah. There we go. That's like a zoom up version of it. I just like how it twinkles. It's my favorite part. Yeah. Okay, anyway, that's enough, right? I think we get the point. So anyway, I'm gonna zoom back out and then I'm gonna, like, go inside. Okay, so now the next clip will be the inside of the house. The indoor decor. Okay, you guys, we're back inside, so let's begin the indoor decorations. So, fun fact, this cute little angel I actually made when I was in kindergarten, and my mom saved it. And yeah, we put it out this year. It's a little angel, I don't know, it's kind of old, but whatever. I made it when I was 5, so there we go. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? We have a Santa with a reindeer. And then we have this cute little, like, teddy bear. Oh, the cute little snow fox. Very cute. Okay, and then over here we have, of course, our angels. Although we have these, like, all year round, but yeah. Yeah, these little angels watching over us. There are 5 angels, yeah. Okay. So now this one says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. Had to sing that out, of course. And then we have this cute little, like, you know, gift bag. And then we have this, I think, is this a reindeer? I don't know what it's supposed to be, but here, I'm gonna walk around here just a minute. Yeah. Oh, and these, of course, are red, you know, for Christmas. Little table settings. Okay. So that's our kitchen, by the way. Okay. So we have this little candle thingy. And this cute little elf, whatever you want to call it. And then we have these cute little, like, trees. With these little ornaments on them. Yeah. So cute, right? Okay, so now let's go over, let's see. Turn this light off since, oh, I forgot to show you this. Oh, duh. Okay, there we go. We have this cute little Santa. We have these. There's like a lot, so yeah. Okay. Let me just switch these lights off. Okay. So now we have a lot of stuff over here. Okay, so making sure everything is, like, good. We have the poinsettias, and these are not real, these are fake. 2 white ones. And this year we kind of went, you'll see for this top area, for, like, white and gold theme. So here we have, oh, these are really cute. Okay, so we have these. That's my knee cracking, in case you're wondering what that was. And then we have these. So cute, the angels and the light. Oh, isn't that cute? Okay, and then this is the white theme, like white and silver theme, a little bit of gold. These are the candles. How cute are these little candles in this tray? Oh my gosh. So we're hanging these until we get this, until we hang the stockings. Do you hang your stockings on Christmas Eve or earlier? I think we usually wait until like Christmas Eve to hang our stockings. So until then, we're just gonna hang these there. Season's greetings. More candles. And this like lights up, but I think the battery is failing now, but. Oh, and I love this, that tree. Oh my gosh. This looks like the Christmas tree in that Dr. Seuss movie with Jim Carrey. It looks like that, to me at least. And then we have this. It's like a tree angel. It's like an angel on top, and it's like a tree. Super cute. And then look at this, you guys. Oh, so cute. So we hung it on there. And there's like these cute snowflakes. How cute is that? Isn't that really cute? That was really cute. Okay, the next thing is, of course, this we have like out, I think, all the time. Well, I don't know. Anyway, we have it out now. And it's a cute little school. Jefferson School. And then this plate with the cute little wintry scene. And then a cute little basket. I think that's been out before somewhere else, but. Okay, I want to do this room first. I think, okay, almost done. Okay, well, with this room. And then we have these, you know, lambs, sheep, you know, like for the shepherd, you know, Jesus, you know, all that stuff. And again, that's just hanging from there, so. Really cute. So, yeah. Okay, and then we have, oh, some of these lights on really quick. So this is the wreath. Silver and, yeah. So there we go. Just showing that really quick. And then we have this cute little, it like looks like an advent calendar, but it's not. It's really cute though. It's like a big tree. And then this cute little postcard we hung up. Oh, this is like a little mini advent calendar, I guess you can call it. But look how cute the angels. I know, isn't that so cute? I think that's darling. And then this little wreath we always, not wreath, wreath. Oh my gosh. And then last but not least, okay, so this Santa hat's over there. But ready for this? The Christmas tree. This is the main one. And of course the upstairs one you've probably already seen, but I'll show it to you again when we go upstairs. But this is the main Christmas tree we do. And this is fake. So that's the tree skirt. And this is the full Christmas tree with the star on top. So cute. So yeah. Isn't that so pretty? I always tell people that it was like an actual like department store tree. Like the one that's like in the store window of like, is it Bergdorf, Goodman, or Saks, or Barney's New York or whatever. Yeah. And there's a cute little painting that I painted when I was younger. A little snow painting. We'll just go a little bit. I don't want to show it too close, but you get the point. It's like snowing and stuff. I don't know. I like painted that when I was like really young. Okay, you guys, I think we're done with that downstairs. I hope not. I didn't miss anything. I don't know. Anyway, you guys, just making sure. So now we're gonna go upstairs, and I'm gonna show you the living room upstairs, and then I'm gonna show you the bedroom and bathroom, or whatever. We'll figure it out. Okay. So, you guys, so cute, little elf. She's helping, you know, put the presents under the tree, helping Santa. So Santa's a little helper. Isn't she cute? And then we have this garland with the lights over here. And then a tree, of course, a tree skirt. The same one as downstairs, just another one. The presents, and then of course the white Christmas tree. And this year we just did it plain white. I just like it plain white. Last year we like decorated it out, but this year we didn't. So yeah. I like it just plain white. And then Santa's there, and he is so decked out. Look how cute he looks. All fancy. And, oh, really quickly, just a tree here. A little mini tree. Yeah. Okay, so now for this. It's, of course, another fake poinsettia, but it's red. And then we have the snowman next to him. Well, next to the poinsettia. Okay, another little Santa hat. I have a lot of these Santa hats. And then we have these lights. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. So we have the nutcracker. And we have these little glistening lights along there. Then we have the gingerbread. We have this cute little, like, wishing thing. I don't know. Santa's like a moon with stars. Of course, an angel to watch over us. Give thanks. That actually I kept up from the fall Halloween / fall decorations. I felt like really Christmassy, so I kept it up for the Christmas season too. Another gingerbread man. He's so cute. Angel. And, oh, of course, another fancy looking Santa with his boots all decked out. Ready for Christmas. And then those lights like go all the way along there. So, yeah. Okay, I think that's it for that. I think that's it, you guys. Oh, and we have some pillows here. Let me show you really quickly. We have this Santa pillow. Yeah. And then we have, oh, this one is super cute. Look at that. Gingerbread house. I'm kind of obsessed with gingerbread now. I don't know why. I love, and this one matches the doormat outside. Baby, it's cold outside. That's cute, right? Okay, now let's go to the bathroom, and then we'll end with the room, which is just, yeah. Okay, so we have this wreath on the bathroom door, and then that's me. Hi, what's up? What else do we have here? Oh my god, okay, so this is like totally off topic, but like, of course, you have to have Christmas soap out. This soap I just started tonight, the Candy Cane Bliss, and it is actually my favorite soap I've ever had from Bath & Body Works. It's like the best soap ever. So I'm gonna get like maybe 20 more of these soaps, and I'm joking, like for real. And then after that, I'm gonna use the Mary Cookie after that because it's so good. Like, ugh, but this Candy Cane Bliss, ugh, just speechless. It's so good. And of course, I'm using hot cocoa and cream right now in the shower gel, and it smells like brownies. Like I would say, it's really weird with the hot cocoa and cream. Like, okay, so the shower gel smells like brownies. The spray smells like Tootsie Roll Pops, and then what was the other thing? And then what was I gonna say? Oh my gosh! And the cream smells like the Italian chocolate cannoli candle from like the summer SAS. So really random, but I like all of it though. Anyway, so we just put 2 garlands there, and I mean me, the silver and the gold along here. I kept it like super simple this year. Like I didn't really do over the top. So I wanted to more simple this year, but yeah. And of course the famous Bath and Body Works stuff. But this is going to be a little sneak peek because I'm doing an updated collection video for Bath and Body Works, like literally during Vlogmas. You guys, Vlogmas starts December 1st, Saturday, so video every single day, aka, oh, I just hit myself, okay, on the bed. the video, 31 videos back to back, starting December 1st, all the way through 31st. It's gonna be epic, and of course, there's more Bath and Body Works in there, under the bed, and anyway, you're gonna see the whole thing later. But let's end it with this, like, detailed video of that coming, and then this wreath right there. Okay, guys, well, that's my Christmas decorations for 2018, inside and outside. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know the deal. Thumbs up, subscribe, you know the deal. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. And yeah, but Vlogmas will start again Saturday, December 1st. So look out for that. And yeah, 31 videos back to back. Make sure you're ready for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye guys, Merry Christmas.